understands that the safest place to live is in the thick of it. Living on the edge is suicide. Stick to the center of a million-strong crowd, and your odds of being eaten are 1,000,000 to 1. Be an individual, step out of the flock, and life could be over very quickly. The only downside is that a massive throng needs massive supplies. In this huge flock, food and water are still in short supply, and the future looks bleak for everyone, unless something changes soon. With the rains, the streams and lakes will refill. There'll be water to drink, and plenty more wet places for the flamingos to roam. Now, all these animals can leave this overcrowded lake and spread out across Africa again. Predators picked off a few flamingos, but it's nature in the form of weather that holds the ultimate power over life. If the rains had failed, the death toll might have been massive. It's only because the rains did come that life can continue on this massive scale.
Becoming the Enemy next on BBC One, John Travolta and Nicolas Cage go head-to-head in the all-action thriller Face Off.
Journey to some amazing places with a season of inspirational summer music. The BBC Proms, every night this week on Radio 3 and BBC 4. To find out how to get BBC 4 on cable, satellite or with Freeview, call 08700 10 10 10.
Twins that went missing.
2 lost.
What do you think?
1 found.
Cindy is still missing.
You really think it's credible he's been held all this time?
Old case, new doubts.
I can't remember why I'm afraid of you. I just know that I am Daddy.
I was the state-sanctioned child snatcher.
He's leading up the garden path. With all due respect, Grace, you're letting him.
1 team, 1 solution.
I love being the last to know.
Waking the Dead, Sunday and Monday at 9 on BBC One.
Taking on a criminal in more ways than one, violence and strong language on BBC One as John Travolta and Nicolas Cage go in for a face-off.